Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the form you want to grade. Click the Settings gear and switch to the Quizzes tab. Make this a quiz so answer key features appear. Choose how to release grades and what respondents see. This affects feedback and points. Once done, save and return to the form editor. Now you can mark correct answers on individual questions. This is how Google calculates scores automatically. So get the quiz options right before assigning point values or moving to the next set of questions. You now pick each question and click Answer Key to define the correct response. Set the point value. This determines weight when scores are computed. Then add alternate accepted answers for short responses. Make sure to mark all correct options if a question allows multiple correct answers, otherwise partial credit won't work. You can add answer feedback for right and wrong choices to help learners. Once you've completed these middle steps, every submission will be auto-graded against these exact keys. You finish by previewing the form and submitting a test response to confirm scoring and feedback behave as expected. If scores are off, reopen Answer Key and adjust accepted short answer phrases or enable partial credit for checkbox questions. This fixes common mismatches. Make sure the quiz toggle remains on and confirm release settings match your grading plan. If problems persist, convert question types or re-enter keys. This resolves most issues quickly. Otherwise, double-check sharing permissions and respond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.